Good morning. Today we will learn how to do part arm system. So part arm means when we want to arm the complete system except the PIR zones. So let's do the part arm from the keypad. Enter your master code 5678. Once you receive do you want to arm system, then press the down arrow one time. Here it will say stay arm system. So press yes button and it shows evening arm, so press again yes button. So it will do part arm system instead of full arm. So after the exit delay your system will be part armed. So here it will show stay arm or evening arm. Thank you.